What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking, and tonight we're making Olive Garden's used to be on the menu, off the menu, back on the menu, off the menu, chicken Alfredo lasagna. So I got some chicken breasts here, and the first thing we're gonna do is just go ahead and slice them up, get them cooked up, get them good and ready. So let's get into it. Years and years ago, Jerry and I went to Olive Garden, and they had the chicken lasagna on their menu, and I tried it, and I was like, this is my new favorite thing. And we went back, got it again, and it was still my new favorite thing. So then when we went back, it was gone. It was off the menu.
I don't know.
So I'm gonna throw a little bit of mustard, honey mustard on in there with my chicken. I'm gonna throw a little bit of salt in there, a little Parmesan ranch, a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of oregano, just a little bit, and a little bit of crushed black pepper. Some type of mufunga virus has been moving through my house, and everybody's been sick. Ugh. So I'm gonna go and mix all that on into with my chicken, get it good and coated. So we're gonna grab our pot. We're gonna fill it with
water.
We do have some lasagna noodles. We're gonna boil them first, and then put them in an ice bath, cool them down. So I'm gonna pour my chicken on in to my pan. While our chicken is going, we want to go ahead and start making our sauce, because we want everything to come together relatively fast. So we're going to do multiple things. I have my chicken cooking. I got 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to go ahead and melt on down. And you can also use ground chicken. I had chicken breast already sitting out, so I figured I'd go ahead and use what I had. But you can use ground chicken. Ground chicken would go really good. What you could also do was, with your chicken, you can put it in a processor and get it to where you can ground it. It's up to you. We've all made sauce before. We make a little roux. 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of flour. You want to cook that flour on down. 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. 1 cup of milk. Let's pull this out the dishwasher, and it's hot. But all I'm doing is working out those clumps of flour, or the clumps of the roux, into my cream and my milk. Use 4 ounces of some cream cheese. I have a bunch of mozzarella cheese that I shredded earlier, and I'm just going to dump that on in. Got some minced garlic now. I was out, so I had the wife pick some up today. About a tablespoon of minced garlic, some crushed black pepper. Chicken is looking fabulous. I got my lasagna noodles. We want about 10. I got some ricotta here. I'm going to do half of the 15 ounces, so 7. So then once I get all that, I'm just going to start mixing that chicken on in with that ricotta. Once you get how you want it, set it to the side. We got our ice bath ready. So I'm going to get my dish. I'm going to put my lasagna in. I want to start with just putting some of my sauce on the bottom of my pan. Don't touch this. This is hot, okay? So I'm just going to take my noodles and shock them. So we're stopping the cooking process by putting them in the water. We're taking them from hot boiling water and we're putting them in an ice bath. So, yep, that way they quit cooking. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start building my lasagna. Noodles down. And then we're going to grab our sauce. I love sauce too, baby. We're going to we're going to grab our chicken.
I got the gray pan. Now I have the red pan. Ooh, that feels good.
It smells good?
Yeah.
Good. Noodles, chicken, cheese.
I want chicken cheese. Let me have the chicken cheese. Okay. I have no cheese.
Wrap it in foil. I don't have any foil. Alright, it's been a long time since I've made lasagna. Honestly, I don't know the last time I made lasagna. And it's been a long time since I made this specific lasagna. So hopefully it's good. And hopefully I did it right. Give this a whirl. Let's give it a try so we can go ahead and eat tonight. Look at that. It's lasagna. Chicken Alfredo lasagna, or whatever Olive Garden calls it. 10 out of 10, y'all make it. I love you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.